Sir Fluffington was not your average cat, he was an absolute unit, a 30-pound tabby with a belly that swayed like a hammock in a breeze and an ego twice as large. He believed every sunbeam belonged to him, every unattended snack was his by right, and that flower pots, no matter how small, were made for his afternoon naps. One sunny morning, Fluffington squeezed himself into Mrs. Maplethorpe's prized ceramic planter, flattening the petunias and causing the pot to groan in protest. His orange fur spilled over the rim like rising dough, but he purred contentedly, convinced he was perfectly camouflaged. Mrs. Maplethorpe's neighbor, Mr. Jenkins, a gardening enthusiast with questionable eyesight, strolled by just as Fluffington let out a luxurious yawn. "Well, I'll be. That's the rare Himalayan furry fern I read about in Horticulture Weekly," he exclaimed, snapping photos and calling his garden club. Within the hour, half the neighborhood had gathered to marvel at the plant, tossing fertilizer pellets and singing to it in hopes it would bloom. Fluffington, enjoying the attention and a steady rain of fish-shaped treats, batted at the occasional butterfly and rolled over, nearly toppling the entire pot. Word spread quickly, and soon Fluffington's flower pot became a tourist attraction. Curious dogs strained at their leashes, squirrels brought acorns as offerings, and the mailman left a note asking for cuttings of the exotic specimen. Fluffington's fame soared, but his laziness remained unshaken. He barely opened an eye when a local TV crew arrived, only flicking his tail in annoyance when their boom mic jostled his whiskers. His only real exertion was swatting away a nosy dachshund who mistook him for a new kind of shrubbery. Eventually, Mrs. Maplethorpe realized her missing tabby was the star of the rare plant parade, and shooed the onlookers away. Fluffington, offended at the interruption of his royal nap and affronted that no one had brought a cushion, sauntered off in search of a larger, sturdier pot. The neighborhood still talks about the mysterious feline fern, and Sir Fluffington, ever the mischief maker, continues his quest for the perfect napping spot, preferably one with snacks and an adoring audience.